Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. This is the start of our brand new Inspire Me series, where we show you easy, healthy and delicious recipes that you can quickly make with everyday ingredients. Turn on subtitles to view the recipe in your language. Today's recipe is a one-pot rice dish that your entire family will love. So let's begin. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all our new recipes. Also, comment below which country you're watching from and whether you'll be giving this recipe a try. With that, catch you in the next one.